The Echo Show 5 3rd Gen and the Show 8 2nd Gen are two of the best smart displays from Amazon's popular Alexa-powered Echo lineup. On the surface, they share a lot in common, both rocking crisp screens and the built-in Alexa assistant. But with the Show 5 sporting a compact 5.5-inch display and the Show 8 stepping it up to 8 inches, there are some key differences between these voice-controlled gadgets. So how do you know which one is the best? In this no-nonsense video, we're settling the score once and for all. We'll examine all the key factors from display quality to camera capabilities, entertainment options to smart home control, so you can see a clear comparison of these two fan-favorite smart displays. By looking at where they overlap and where they differ, you'll have the info you need to pick the perfect model to be your new Alexa-powered BFF. Should you go bigger with the Show 8 or save money with the petite Show 5? We'll lay out the pros and cons of each so you can confidently decide which Echo Show is the best fit for your needs and budget. No more guessing, we've got your back. Let's dive in and determine which one of these Alexa devices deserves a prime spot in your connected home. Let's kick things off by taking a look at the hardware. In terms of design, both Echo Shows have a similar look, with rounded edges and mesh fabric covering the speakers. But there are some noticeable differences in their size and dimensions. The Show 5 has a compact 5.5-inch display that's great for squeezing onto your nightstand or kitchen counter. At just 5.8 by 3.4 inches, it has a tiny footprint. The Show 8, meanwhile, has a much bigger 8-inch HD screen in a 7.9-inch by 5.4-inch frame. So it takes up more space, but provides a more immersive viewing experience. For visuals, the Show 8's 1280 by 800 resolution gives it a leg up over the Show 5's measly 960 by 480. So if watching movies and TV shows is important to you, the 8-inch screen is the clear winner here. But don't count little Show 5 out just yet. Its screen is vibrant, perfect for quickly glancing at photos or checking notifications. Plus, it works great as a smart alarm clock on your bedside table. So in terms of design and display, I'm calling it a split decision. For portability and compact spaces, Show 5 takes it. But for screen real estate and crisp visuals, Show 8 wins out. Now let's move on to audio. Both Echo Shows have dual front-firing speakers built in, but there are some significant differences in sound quality. The puny Show 5 has a single downward-firing 1.65-inch 4-watt speaker driver. Don't expect room-filling audio from this pint-sized smart display. The sound is passable for watching quick YouTube clips or casual listening, but it's seriously lacking in volume and bass. Show 8, on the other hand, brings a whopping two 2-inch 10-watt speakers that put out 360-degree-like audio that can fill most rooms with rich, booming sound. Listening to music or watching movies is a way better experience thanks to the louder, fuller frequencies. So for sound quality, Echo Show 8 scores a knockout with its quad-speaker setup compared to the anemic audio on the Show 5. But keep in mind, neither are going to sound as good as a dedicated Bluetooth or bookshelf speaker. Moving on to camera, the Echo Show 5 got a decent camera upgrade from its previous gen version, increasing the megapixels from 1 to 2. However, it was a whole different ballgame for the Echo Show 8. While the first-gen Echo Show 8 offered a 1-megapixel camera, this revamped model comes equipped with a 13-megapixel camera. The image is incredibly crisp, and alongside the larger screen makes the Echo Show 8 the winner. But that's not even the best part. The new Echo Show 8 features auto-framing functions that automatically pan and zoom the camera to keep it focused on the people in view of it. Both devices also feature some handy connectivity features like intercom to page every Alexa device in the house, "We're leaving in 15 minutes, so be ready!" and drop-in, which allows you to video chat with any connected Alexa device. Alright, time to look at how these Echo Shows handle smart home controls. Both include the familiar Alexa voice assistant to issue commands and queries using the built-in mics. You can say things like, "Alexa, turn on the lights," or "Alexa, what's the weather today?" to control compatible smart home devices, get information, set timers and reminders, check your calendar, and more. The Show 5 and 8 both have the same Alexa voice functionality and microphone arrays, so there's really no difference there. That said, they both have some new Alexa abilities that their preceding gen counterparts don't. First up is the home monitoring function, where you can remotely access the camera on your device from the Alexa app just to check in on things. You'll need a Wi-Fi connection to do it, though. I can imagine it would be great to check in on pets, the babysitter, or just take a peek at your home while on vacation to make sure everything is on the up and up. Next is the addition of motion-enabled routines. This allows Alexa to detect when you enter or leave a room and use that activity to start a routine. Fair warning, this can open a whole can of worms about privacy, but it also opens up some exciting possibilities for the smart home buff. You could have Alexa read your calendar when you walk into your office, or turn off all smart-enabled devices when there's no motion detected in the living room. And those are just two simple ideas. With the addition of Alexa-enabled devices or smart plugs, your options open up even more. Amazon does offer ways to manage these settings if you'd like to delete recordings or manage your data, so home monitoring is basically a tie. Overall, both are solid Alexa-powered smart displays for voice control. Moving on, let's compare some extra features that help these devices stand out. For entertainment, both Echoes offer access to Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, and more. You can watch movies, TV episodes, or news clips just using your voice. They also have a neat picture-in-picture mode, so you can watch video content while still accessing other features. Plus, they work with video calling services. One advantage the Show 8 has over the Show 5 is support for higher resolution that I talked about earlier. Now let's talk about privacy. Both Echo Shows have microphone camera off buttons to electronically disconnect them when you want some privacy. However, the Show 5 also has a built-in camera shutter to physically block the lens when not using the camera. For those extra concerned about privacy, that's a nice touch. Finally, the Show 5 is available in 3 color options: charcoal, glacier white, and cloud blue, so you've got some nice choices to match your home's style. The Show 8, on the other hand, is available in only 2 colors, charcoal and glacier white. So when it comes to extra features, the Show 8 edges ahead with higher resolution streaming and a larger screen. But the Show 5 offers handy extras like the privacy shutter and color options that some users may prefer. Too close to call a definitive winner here. And that's it for all our rounds. So let's recap some key differences between the Echo Show 5 and Echo Show 8. Show 5 is smaller and more compact. Show 8 has a bigger, crisper display. Show 8 has significantly better audio with bigger speakers. Show 8 has a built-in Zigbee hub for smart home devices. Show 8 streams video in 720p. But Show 5 has extra privacy features and color options. So, which one reigns supreme? Honestly, it depends on your needs and priorities. If you want richer sound and video quality in a device that can replace a standalone smart hub, the Echo Show 8 is your champion. It's ideal for kitchens, living rooms, and primary bedrooms. But if you need an affordable, space-saving smart display for casual use, the Echo Show 5 still packs a punch. It works great as an alarm clock in the bedroom or a digital assistant on your office desk. For most folks, I'd probably recommend the very well-rounded Echo Show 8 for its larger screen and superior audio, but savvy shoppers on a budget who value privacy and compact form can still be very happy with the Show 5. At the end of the day, both of these Alexa-enabled smart devices are great options in 2024 that are sure to meet a variety of needs, and those are my final thoughts. Well, that wraps up our Echo Show Showdown. Hopefully this comparison helped break down the key differences between these popular smart displays. Let me know which one you think is the better buy right now. For more information and updated prices about the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. While you're at it, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you enjoyed this video. I'll be back soon with more tech reviews and comparisons. Until next time, enjoy your smart tech, and thanks for watching.